Alright, welcome to the video, folks. Today we're going to be launching a parachute for the first time. I've never actually done it before. Never even had a parachute on a car that I've driven or anything. So I just finished up this beauty right here. Motion Race works pretty much through and through. It's a 430 parachute, and we're going to go out to our test spot and I'm going to go rip it and see what happens. Enjoyed that video. Yes, I'm filming this at the same time as the intro because I suck at YouTube. But if you did enjoy it, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I appreciate it. So makes us able to do more projects like this in the future.